Hi, I'm Shivanath Somanathan. I currently lead the InfoSec program for Tata Communications India Business as their CISO. I'm here to attend the CIPR training in Chennai. I think it's a very immersive training. Amar is a great guy. There's a lot of experiential learning and case study based understanding that Amar has given us throughout the day, and I think this is one of the most telling highlights of the day as well. We have a mix of people from different industries and different walks of life as well who have also shared their experiences. So there's a lot of experiential learning that comes to it. And the conceptual understanding of how an incident response management needs to be done in a very formidable way is something that we've all gathered great insights about. So I wish Amar and his team all the best for all his future endeavour and getting the fraternity of incident responders in the best ways possible. Thank you so much.